Hi everyone, welcome back to Beautiful Experiences for You. And I have another new monthly subscription box to share with you. So this is from TWLOHA. Okay, what is that? Okay, so it is To Write Love on Her Arms is the subscription company. It is a non-profit organization. Their movement is dedicated to presenting hope and finding help for people that are struggling with depression, addiction, self-injury, and suicide. So they offer this monthly subscription. It is $40 a month. It's free shipping and handling. You get a t-shirt every month. You get an 8x10 print. You get a surprise accessory. And I believe you also get a note in here as well. So I'm not 100% sure what to expect. You can check out their website. But they go by this acronym of TWLOHA Incorporated. So they've got a pretty box, and here are their socials. And let's get into the box and check out. Oh, here we go. To Write Love on Her Arms. So let's open it and see what this box is all about. Okay. I am loving the outside of the box. Well, and I'm loving the concept, and I love what they are working towards as well. So, okay, that's what we're seeing. A card first, and it says, "No part of you can be defined as burdensome. The things you carry, you may most definitely consider them so. The things that make it hard to rest, to heal, to care for yourself, absolutely burdens. But you, definitionally, as a human, are not a burden. You are a beautiful gift to this world. Your presence is irreplaceable and needed more than you know. You deserve to feel that and embrace it fully. And doing so might mean asking others to carry some of the heavy things with you. That's okay. You deserve that support. Please know how glad we are that you exist. With hope, TWLOHA. Love it. Okay. Here's the first item in the box. And let's see here. Okay, so it is a bag, and it says it's the To Write Love on Her Arms, and look at the bunny rabbit, loving it. On the back, you can still start over. I love that. It's never too late. It's never too late. I love that. All right, so far, loving the box, loving the theme behind the box. Yeah, we're good. We are really good. The t-shirt. So I got a size large. Oh, I love this. Okay, so here is the t-shirt. Isn't that a cool pattern? And it says, "You are not a burden." And I love that. To Write Love on Her Arms. I love this box, you guys. I love it. Like I said, I love the good that it's doing. I love the message behind it. Yeah, I really like it. Loving the t-shirt. Okay, and the print. All right, I already know I'm taking this to work tomorrow. I'm putting it up. Okay, it says, "Whatever this week requires or asks of you, Know that it is okay to pause and just breathe, to pause and rest, to pause and simply be. It is okay to pause. It is okay to pause. I love it. Do you know how many times this week is I've already said it, it's Monday, that people just need to pause. I've said it a lot today. I said it a lot today. Sometimes people react. They get anxious and they just start right away. Boom, 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 boom. I will say, goodness gracious, man, it's been longer than I thought. Now that I think about it, it's probably been 14 years ago. One of my mentors said to me, sometimes you just need to pause, hold, wait, and sometimes things change. Sometimes things can just work out on their own. What this was in regards to is I'm one of the types of people that when something needs to be done, I jump on it, I get it done. You can always count on me. It's going to get done. It's going to get done right. And it's going to get done more. However, sometimes I might jump on the things to do them. And then like next day it changes. And then I got to repeat something or redo something. So the feedback was given in a way that it's like, okay, pause, just wait, give it a couple days. Let's see where it's at then. So that's what it was meant for. However, as years just went by, sometimes things aren't as bad as they seem to be, or sometimes we react so quickly, and things seem worse than they actually are. Sometimes if you just pause, take a deep breath, walk away, come back in an hour or two, come back the next day, and then it's like, wow, that's not that hard. That's not that big of a deal. That's actually not really anything. When you come back, you're coming back relaxed, not stressed, calm. Things look different. So I love this, that pause. Now, this could be interpreted in multiple ways. I'm interpreting it in the way life is going on right now. However, sometimes you do just need to pause and breathe. Just pause. Just be in the moment. So this fits perfectly for where I'm in my life today. What is my thoughts of the box? I love it. I really do. I love the meaning behind it. I like what they're committed to. The price point, $40, perfect. Yeah, this is one that I'm extremely happy with it. I love what it represents. And I'm going to wear the t-shirt proudly, and I love my bag as well. So, this is a box that you are going to continue to see on my channel. So again, this is To Write Love on Her Arms. It's a monthly subscription box. You always get a t-shirt, you get an 8x10 print, and you get an accessory, and you get a little note card. So hope you guys enjoyed it. Go check them out. Even if you're not interested in the subscription, go check out their website. Read what they're about. I do believe they have a shop as well. So even if you're not interested in the subscription, I think that you can still buy things from them. So go check them out. So hope all is going well with you guys, and take care. Bye, everyone.